to everyone. So now we are here for the some specific topic. Actually, yesterday we went to marriage, so that time it's come came in my mind. We have to the love marriage and arrange. So, like we think
Okay.
there is no need to about to the introduction part because we already introduced ourselves for our viewers. They already have seen our video, so we can discuss about the love marriage. So we can deep dive on the topic, ma'am. Selvi, are you agree?
Sure.
Yes,
Okay. So
yes, of course, ma'am.
yeah, we have some questions for you. So this is the question. Yeah, just a minute.
But
Yeah.
sorry to interrupt you,
Yes, ma'am.
Preeti. But before asking the question, we just about know that what our thought process, but what we would like, arranged marriage or love marriage. So can you tell me what is your opinion that
Okay,
love
definitely.
marriage is good or arranged marriage?
Okay, so my
First, we know
opinion.
about our thought process, what we like or not. Then
Yes,
after
yes.
that, we will raise the questions.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for this opportunity because I would say like love marriage and arranged marriage both are different thing, but like now scenario is different. Like in nowadays we can talk about the love marriage is going increases because of that. Like people like who are working somewhere, so they are finding that their companion there. That is why, and their society they are not getting the their good companion. So that is why they are moving forward to the love marriage. But in arranged marriage but actually nowadays like people are going for the same thing, like not a love marriage only, not a arranged marriage. They are just talking with each other from the companion, and after that they are moving forward their family. So that kind of thing, like we can say it's a semi marriage. It's not a like love marriage only. But when you are taking your parents, like you are doing marriage along with your parents, so that is a healthy relationship will be going after marriage because people is like family is also supported always. Sometimes like you are like it's not possible like their bad consequences is not coming in your life. Everything will be happen in your life because some good consequences is coming, some bad consequences is coming. So when you are facing a bad consequences, that time you think like your marriage is not going good. That time you are thinking like your family will be available. If your family will be available, then they will support you. It's happened because like every life every marriage is not going good. Like when it's not happen like there is a love, so fighting is also happen with there. So that is why like we can't say like you are getting love marriage, so you are not fighting to each other. But we have to be a trust to each other, and mutual understanding is also mandatory for that. Because if you have a mutual understanding, so you can understand better. You have to take both of equal responsibility. If you are facing both if you are following the both equality, so that is that way like you can good and healthy relationship with your partner. But love
Yeah.
marriage is mandatory. Like for the love marriage, it's not a mandatory. Love marriage is going good by the family. Like if you are getting love with arrange, it's happen. So like your life is going smoothly like that. That is my point of view. Like it's not a arranged marriage or love marriage.
So,
It's both is done by the family. Yeah,
so you are in favor of
I am in favor of the love marriage. It's a semi
love
kind.
marriage.
It's
Okay.
not only like love
Okay.
marriage. It's a semi thing.
And what about Meenakshi? You are in favor of?
Actually, this topic is value-driven topic, and both marriage success if it depends on efforts, trust, commitment. So I will favor on both marriages because if people commit, trust, efforts, so we can say both marriage is okay, and I will go definitely with both marriages.
But if you have a one option, then what would you choose? Love marriage or arranged marriage?
So I can't choose any one marriage because I am not favor of any one marriage. So the both result can be uh, equal, 50-50% I can say. So I will prefer both the marriages. You know that the arranged marriage also people they know each other after getting married. they can build their relation easily, slowly and slowly. After that, knowing to each other, they can uh, keep their opinion in front of them. After that, they can live each other. So this relation also can go longer. So this thing, I can say, both marriage can be successful. What is your opinion upon it?
Love marriage or arranged marriage, it depend on person to person. What's their
Hmm.
requirement? Nowadays, everyone is talented. They have a mind, girl or boy. They have options even though. But if I'm talking about the earlier time, at that time, lady even though couldn't go outside, and they have no
Hmm.
options because they were not working and they were not well educated. Now as Gen Zs, you can say they are well educated, open minded, they can talk their parents very friendly. But earlier you can see there were no options available. So yes, if you are choosing your partner, so I think it's girl or boy should be, they're responsible. They are responsible and they have a right to choose their right partner. Yeah, I agree. Parents also, cope up and also involve the marriage, but we have also right to choose our right partner. I can see many problems in arranged marriage also. In arranged marriage, you can see what the ladies and women's doing. Only household chores. They have no career. And
Hmm.
now we are more educated and we have more technology. Now we can talk to each others and want to build our career. So we can do anything because we are much better the earlier ladies. So yes, if I prefer love marriage, but support with our families, because if I am capable and I am well educated, definitely I choose right partner. As I am now graduate, what kind of quality I have, definitely I choose that type of my partner. So according to me, nowadays you can see love marriage is normal. If you are ready, your family also is ready. So you can't say this is the love marriage. This is also you earlier, ladies didn't know who is the partner of there, but because they that this type of ladies had no option to before the marriage they could talk to their partner. They have that time no option, but now our parents even though said that before marriage you should talk to the person who will become your fiancé or partner in future. You have a right, you can talk if your thought process match, because mutual understanding is important as love.
Yes.
Love 1 day, 2 day, 2 year, 3 years comes, but after that, drastically changes comes after the
Hmm.
long period time. So yes, mutual understanding is important,
Correct,
Yes,
correct.
whether it is arranged marriage or love marriage.
I
Right.
agree. Like
So
I
I think
think
you are favor of both of them, or you are favoring to love marriage only. What is your opinion? You didn't reveal it.
You are talking to? You are
To
I think
asking?
you.
Poonam ma'am.
Yeah, I'm asking to you. Yeah.
Mhm.
So you didn't reveal it yet, like what you are favoring, which one you are favoring.
You are looking like love marriage or like arranged marriage. So what would you prefer?
If my parents or anybody girl's parents allow that you have a option and you have a right to choose your partner and guidance under guidance of your parents, so definitely I choose my partner without any hesitation. Why my family pressurize me or any other girl pressurize their family? Why they can pressurize? If I have options, if I have a broad minded, open minded family, So definitely I preferred love marriage. And you can see in arranged marriage there is a domestic violence now even though going on. So it's better to choose your partner what kind of personality I have, what kind of thought process I have, and definitely I choose that someone is fit with me or not, he can understand me or not. So I definitely prefer love marriage. And also,
Okay.
Meenakshi, you supported both marriages, love and
Yes, yes.
50-50, but
Hmm.
you can choose only one option. So you tell.
So that time that love come arrange will be better for me because to involve me parents and by their opinion, taking their approval, I can go for love marriage.
Okay, I think like everyone is going for the semi marriage, right? Arrange with
Hmm.
love marriage, because when you go for the love come arrange or arrange come love, so that is a good and a healthy life for their children. Because when we are already the mother, I am also the mother, so I was thinking
Yeah.
like when my kids are going to the marriage, so I will prefer to like if they are getting any good guy, so I will like I will help you, like if you are getting good guys, so definitely I will follow, like I will support you to them, because this is our responsibility how we are following them, how, because time has been changed now, like according to the
Time
time
has
we
changed.
we have also changed. Because if we
Yes.
are not changing, like in our parental family in earlier time, our parents
Yes.
also they are not seeing to each other, the like one person, one mediator is came and they are just engaged the relationship, their family. So that thing is happened before that, but now time has been changed. Time like we are meeting together, we are talking together by the phone, and we are getting so many opportunity for that. And we are not getting a good guy in our society also. Before that like who are not well educated, they are getting married. But nowadays every females, they are well educated, they are getting a good life. They are getting good education in their life, but they are not getting a good person, like good guy, like who they can marry with them. So that is why they are going for other society also, because they are not some like who are living in the village people, like village like they are
Yes.
like see actually my one friend is also getting married from the other religion, because in their society she is not getting a good guy, like she was not getting a good guy according to their she is the scientist, so she is not getting a good guy according to her perspective. So that is why she went to other religion. So I think so, like she didn't do the wrong thing, because she is not getting a good guy according to their education. So that is why she has gone to other society, other religion. But that is not a we can't say like it's not a good, it's a good na, because she is getting a good guy in their society, whatever she wants, so she get it. But it's not possible if they are going for she will go for the arranged marriage. That time it's not possible she will get that kind of guy who want to marry her. That is why. So it's like love marriage is also good, we can't avoid of that, like love marriage is not good. Now we are talking about the healthy relationship. It's depend on the mutual understanding, how you are mutual understanding, how you are making your trust to each other. That is mandatory for the everyone.
Mm.
So now let's move on the question, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah, of
sure.
course.
I think all are agree for the love marriage. First we can say love marriage, then go for arrange, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, we have a one question for that. What would you do if your parents rejected your love marriage? So Meenakshi ma'am, what would you do if your parents rejected your love marriage?
Okay, so here I will take the example like it was happened with me before I'm getting married. So like what happened? So earlier they were not ready for my love marriage. So I made them understand very politely, and I just gave them time, at least 5 to 10 days time. So they understand that time, like they understood. okay, it's okay if she is going far away from Delhi to Bangalore. So at least she can come when we need help of her, or when we just wanted to meet her. So she can come. I also asked with my husband that uh, can I go to meet my family after getting married. So like on 2 month, 3 month in between. So he said, yeah, okay, you can go. There's no problem. There's a 2 hour journey in between. So what is why you are just getting so much disappointed about it? So I thought, yes. So that thing I also update to my parents, and I took permission for both of them, and then marriage happened. And so these things I can say, if family rejecting your proposal, love marriage proposal, you just make them understand very politely, sincerely. They can understand. Otherwise, people take a wrong action, and don't just take wrong action. Just take time to your parents, just making them understand very beautifully, sincerely, and until unless they will understand you.
I
This
agree,
is my
ma'am.
point of view.
Yes, ma'am. Poonam, ma'am.
Yeah.
So
Same question.
we can forward another question. I think that is the
Yeah.
good way. Okay, so another question is that how would you convince your parents for a love marriage?
Convinced for a love marriage.
Yes.
I said that earlier conversation. I said that yeah, if you are well educated and you are born and brought up where your family members and your parents also open minded, where you can share your whatever going on your mind and what do you want, and also what kind of partner do you want. So of course, if your family supported you, so and if your family is your backbone, and it's very necessary part, they will, if they are ready, so definitely we will get success in our life. So if our family member is involved in our marriage and I have a capability or ability to convey my parents, so I think love marriage become very beautiful journey in
I
future.
I agree with the both of you because it's depend on our guts, or it's depend on our capability. If you are
Yeah.
capable for some things, definitely your parents will be convinced
And
because
you
you
are
know.
and
Yes.
and our if our parents friendly with us, I
Yes.
have seen my many friends, they are not even talk to their parents. They are shy or they are scary. If someone in family like father is very strict, and children can't speak to in front of them. So it's depend on family to family, what kind of family you have, first of all. And second thing, in love marriage, I want to raise the question earlier, but
Yeah.
now I just wanted to ask both of you.
Yes.
Love marriage is good, but if someone is your partner is also understanding, everything is whatever you wanted and he has, but according to me, suppose family your partner's family is not supporting you, they don't like you, only that boy is like you, so do you survive their family with their family members? No, it's not possible. So nowadays it's become challenging in love marriage. Only boy is not, marriage means girl and boy marries and two families become strong relation, especially in-law girls relation with their in-laws. And in love marriage, I have seen many cases, in-laws they don't like their, you know,
Their family is not
uh,
liking to the her.
The
yeah,
lacking of like
daughter-in-laws,
initial
daughter-in-law.
expectation
Yeah,
also.
yeah, they have a lot of expectations
Hmm.
from the girls. She do all household chores as well as along with do their job also, and they have more expectations. I don't know why. If you have expectations, so I think girls also have expectations,
Yes.
because she leave or she left the house where she born and brought up. So it is difficult to adjust with new families. So it's, new family responsibility, how they welcome that girl.
Right.
This is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
important.
Yeah, it's also important, like if you are going for any other family, so like parental, like both parental family will be agree for that marriage, then you should go for that marriage. Otherwise I think don't go marriage for the only by one person, like if you are liking one person, like your husband and your fiance. So if you are going there, so sometimes like nowadays it's happened what many families I have seen, like who are getting married in the like in their in-laws, they are not liking, they are saying like you just came here for the money. Actually I have listened, I have heard that many in-laws family, they are thinking like you are coming here for the money only, so they are not treating good way from her. So that is not a good treatment, because she is also coming from the other family. So this is your responsibility how you are tackle it, because see, if you are getting your son is getting was getting married from other guy, so how can you say that like she is also the good? It's depend on you how you are treating with her.
Yeah.
So that is my point of view. Yes.
Actually, here I want to just keep my point of view. Like, due to this love marriage, family disapproval also happen, and higher like expectations comes, and so due to this less family guidance we get, family support, and the social gathering also going less, because the social status we don't know in love marriage, and in the arranged marriage they just keep attentive for the values, compatibility, and the social status also. So here the lacking of the all kind of things. That's why family they family they don't guide so much in love marriage.
Yes, it's happened. Like if you are going for the love marriage, so sometimes family are also breaking your relationship. Like they are saying you are not my daughter, like that. I have seen many people like who are married with the another family. So like they are just breaking their like hand, they're breaking their own family. So that is not a good way. Like you are feeling like over the time you feel like you, whatever you have done, this is the wrong, because your family is not always support you on that time. But if you are getting
Mm.
married with love with arrange, that time your family always will support you, because they know that whoever person you have choose it, that is good, because he also support you that time. But if you are getting married without your family permission, so that is not a good way for doing a healthy relationship in your marriage. Yeah, ma'am. So I think compatibility you have say about Meenakshi ma'am, you have saying about the compatibility. So I have a one
Hmm.
question about to the compatibility. So the question is that is compatibility more important than love?
Uh, Love actually not with the partner. It also happens with the family, as Poonam said. So first we have to involve our parents in this scenario, and if parents are ready, so automatically the compatibility become it build up in relation both with the partner and with the family also. But there's if what I will say, if
Compatibility.
compatibility is also not there, so without compatibility we can't survive with only the love, because love will be stay with partner, but the family they will stay away from you. That time family will not guide you, family will not more interaction with you, they will not more interact with you that time, and the social gathering also go less. So this kind happen if both of things can mix to each other, so the relationship will be built more. So both things we require for this thing.
Yes, ma'am, I agree for your points. Now we have a question of the trust. Trust, how can you like? Can you trust be built after marriage? Like sometimes, like you are doing the love marriage, so you say you think like you are trusting to each other, but it will be happen like can you trust be built after marriage? Like Poonam ma'am, what would you say
Mm.
about that?
Actually, trust can be built pre-existing relation if we are going in love marriage, but it also can happen in arranged marriage because when you just knowing to each other, the trust also can build, and it built with the two mature person. So one of them, a person is not mature, so that time that relation can't be built. But both person are like mature, so their love and their trust can be built very easily, and that relation will go long last.
Yeah, trust is the most important thing I think in every marriage.
Because you know that like when we nurture, as we nurture to our plants daily basis, we give water to our plants. So same things we have to do with our relation. Day by day, we have to just nurture our relation by emotions, trust, depend on the efforts we have to do it. So relation can be nurturing very good, and it can be longer.
Nurturing the plants and nurturing the relations, bond, compatibility, both are different things, Meenakshi. Because if you are asking from me, so compatibility and trust
No, no, no.
build,
Actually, I was
you
just
know,
giving the answer of the next question of the Preeti. So she
Okay, okay.
asked two questions from me. One compatibility, second is the trust. So I
Trust.
was giving the answer of trust.
Okay, ma'am. So
so,
actually, I'm asking about to the Poonam. So what would you say about to the trust? Can we build
trust
trust
for
after marriage
after marriage, trust with whom?
with your companion guy, with your husband, or after marriage is husband? I can say about the husband.
Yeah, if I'm talking, if I think we are conversation about, and we all of us agree with love marriage, and we are, we are preferring love marriage. So
Yes.
I think in love marriage we are said and we are more understandable with our partner, because before marriage we met, we talked. So I think we
अभी
should
मंगा रहे, go
make
inside, are
compatibility or
coming, go.
trust with our in-laws,
अभी आ
not
रहे
the
हैं, हम
partner.
बात कर ले फिर आ रहे हैं.
Because after the marriage, they are not much familiar with me. Because not me, I'm not giving my example. I'm giving just any kind of girls. After the marriage, one girl have a what they have a problem, because new family, new members, and it's very difficult that only one girl, why she tried to make compatibility trust to other family members, why they cannot welcome open arms and welcoming that girl, why they cannot understand, make understand, mutual understanding. And in our society, everyone pressurize the girl. You make the compatibility to other family members, all the family members, and you give your best. What's their requirements, what they want, and you do same like that. Why? I don't know why our parents also, before marriage, they said that, okay, go, you are going to other families, and this is your responsibility,
Yes.
no complaints, and this is your responsibility to take care household chores, and as well as your jobs and other feelings. Why one girl take care this heavy load? Why any matlab only girls? Why other family members take this kind of responsibility? So I think compatibility and trust not built with our partner, it's a very beautiful relation to all of the family members, and rest of the family members also responsibility to take care of that girl who leave their home, and you have to welcome that girl. So I think after that, if you are uh, welcoming that girl without any if but, so definitely this bond become more beautiful. But I don't think nowadays it is
It's not
happening.
happen. Yeah, actually,
No,
like
we can't say.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
sorry for putting you, Preeti, here.
It's okay.
Sorry. Actually, in this past phase era, na, people they are more understandable and more educated. Parents are more educated, so they can understand their son-daughter feelings very well, and they make them comfortable also. So they don't become a hurdle in between their daughter-son's relation.
You
So
are
some
talking
people
about
are.
the son daughter, or I'm talking about the daughter-in-law. So both are different.
I'm just talking about the before marriage. If they are going to marry with someone's their daughter or son, na, so
Mhm.
they don't become a hurdle in between. They try to make them easier and make them easy, and just they go away and they say like whatever you want, you just go ahead. But the financial person should be strong because after getting married, you could not be face any kind of financial challenges. That's
Yeah.
why they make them alert their daughters, their children, so that things happen with them. Even it will be happen with us also. If we have a children, we have a child, and that child will get married to that girl or boy.
Yeah.
So we just make them show that you are getting married. Those people, that people should be financially strong. Otherwise, you will face many challenges in your life in future.
And
So
but
just we
why we
just
are dependent? Why we are depend other people, mean other guys? Why our husband only financially strong? Why we are not? If girls and women's are financially strong, so I think we don't need to depend the other family
No,
members
it's
or our
not the
partners.
matter of dependency. It's the matter of the like relationship. If you are stable on your feet, you are standing on your feet. But in front of you, if your partner is not stable, is not financially strong, why you will go marry with him? You will go with marry that person who is not financially strong. Definitely, you need that person who match to you. So by matching to you, so you will also will get married to who is like financially strong. So these things happen.
So I want to add some more point about that because when you are getting like nowadays people are sending their daughter in any family, but they actually every girl should be a independent. Why we are, yeah, I agree with you, Poonam ma'am, because when you are independent, so there is no need to dependence on the other. Like we don't want to a sugar daddy like that. When why
Yes.
we will we become a sugar boy, baby like that. So we have to be on feet because if you have a own feet, so you don't expect from other. When you are not expecting from others, so definitely, yeah, everyone will make me happy because when you are
Yeah.
going other family, so that time they was thinking like you are going there for the dependency. But if you are on feet, if you are independent, so they was thinking like you don't have their need, like you don't be like they can't be like they can't be fulfilling your wishes, but you can fulfill your wishes by yourself. Because if you are fulfilling your wishes by yourself, so they are not they are not doing like any kind of forces to you, like you do this thing and that thing, because they know that you have already the burden because you are working somewhere, you are already independent, you are getting good money from your job, so they are not forcing that time. But if you are getting married, love marriage, but nowadays many families I have seen like who are not working, so that time they are facing they are faces lots of challenges because their family
Yeah.
is also getting expected. They was thinking like if you are coming here, so you are coming for the money, not from your own. But if you are as like I have seen, like if you are a independent, not about your family, like parental family, not about your in-laws family. When you are independent, so both family will be agree for that because you are independent, you don't need of the other person. They can they can fulfill your wishes. So that is why, like
Yeah.
if you are independent, so you can give the points, like you can give the like whatever in your mind, so you can say directly to your parents also, and parents also agree for that because they understand like whatever you take the decision, you take the decision good because you know that what is the life. Because when you are become a independent, that time you know that very well what is the value of money, what is the need of your life. When you are getting married someone, so that time you know that whatever the partner you are getting, whoever the partner you are are getting married, so he is the good companion, he is the understandable your things or not, he is available for always or not, and he will we are not fulfilling the basis from then. I think every girls like who are getting love marriage, so they have to be dependent on yourself, not others. If you are independent, so nobody will nobody will give the any kind of taunt, any kind of faces you have faces the challenges, because independence is must nowadays. Like if you are getting married of the love marriage, so love marriage if you are going, so you have a voice for getting marriage of love marriage. But if you are not independent, if you are married from any one of guy, but on that time your family will not support you. If you are independent, definitely your family will support you. I have seen actually it's not about my case. Actually, I have done marriage with the arranged marriage, but we are talking each other before that. We know each other. Like my family is also meeting together before, so we are talking on phone also. But family sometimes both families not agree. But we can say to them like he's the right guy, so we can marry with them. So that is why if you are independent na, so you can give the your voice, you can give your voice like I can be married this guy, this is good for me. That time family will also agree. If you are not independent, then family will not guide you and family will not help you for that time. That thing is happen like in every love marriages. Yes, ma'am. Your voice is not coming. Poonam
You
ma'am,
are,
you
yeah.
unmute yourself.
Actually, women become independent for their self-esteem and
Yes.
for their future scenario, future upcoming future situations. So it is very necessary, and it also help to us to earning become a earning member in your family. So this thing is also important in this fast-paced era. You know that expense is very high everywhere, everything. So people they both need to earn money for fulfilling their luxurious life, comfort, everything. So this is mandatory. It's become a mandatory. But also depend on the self-esteem also. So I think every person should be independent, whether it man, whether it woman. But people also and parents also wanting their children a good future. So that's why they're looking a good husband, good wife, like a good partner for them, and the financial who is financially strong. So this thing happen.
Yes, Poonam ma'am, would you like to any question for me, and so that we can wind up this session, because we are running out of the time. That's why.
But this is last but not the least. But just I want to add one more thing that it doesn't matter it's love marriage or arranged marriages. I have question that I have one question about I forgot the question. Yeah, I just want to know that after the marriage, if one man and one woman marry, so why only, after the marriage, if both are working, man and woman, and we knows man and women are the two pillars of society, right? But why only women left the job or for the babies, take care of babies and other responsibilities? Why not man? If we want to independent, so we can share our responsibilities also. Why also take all responsibility, take the load only the women's, not man's? I have seen many cases. I have many of examples, even though I think we all are at home right now,
Yes.
and I have my 9 years daughter. We all are at home, but men never, stay at home. They said if we are at home, so how our daily basis expenses going on? But why ladies cannot, go in front of the man and say we are also the equal responsibility to take care of household chores, our children, and any other of responsibilities. But only why women left the job, their careers, and everything, and just sit on their houses.
Ma'am,
Because no, no.
Yes,
You
yes,
you
Mehak.
can you go on
So
you go
I
on
think
please.
like it's a Indian tendency we can say,
Yeah.
because the Indian who are the Indian people, like they was thinking always like it's a lady's responsibility only, it's a women
Yeah.
responsibility only. You can take care of your kids if you want to do work, so you can do by work from home like that. Because I also
Yeah.
facing a same problem. Like it's not about
Yeah.
me, it's all about the girls like who
All.
are getting married after getting kids. They are not getting out to going work outside, because everyone is saying like you have to your first
Especially
priority
if
of your
you are
child.
a nuclear family, so you
Yes,
have no
yes.
option to go outside.
Yes, ma'am. So that is why, like, if you are living in the like family, also that time is also facing that kind of issue. Like, if you are living in the joint family, but I think like if you are living the joint family, then you are getting opportunity. You can go outside because they will handle your kids. They will manage all the thing. But if you are living neutrally, so it's not possible. Like, men's are not. Quit their job and females have to, but in other country we can say, so other country they are managing both the thing in a equally way. So that
Yeah.
is why like but in future I can see like it's not happen in our
Yes.
generation, it will be happen, but we can say about our children time that thing is not happening, because they both are equal, so both will doing work. And what about the kids? So kids also taking the responsibility of the like what can say like nanny, like that they will handle that kind of thing, because it's not possible in the future, because both are working. Don't
Yeah.
if you both have to be equal responsibility for the kids, that thing is
But
happen
not
in future.
all ladies are at home. We can see the doctors, lawyers, judge, they are doing their jobs because they know what their responsibility. Their responsibility children as much as their jobs. And they are doing very well jobs. You can see the doctors. And they
Yes.
are working 24 by 7. They are doing their jobs and manage their household, responsibilities also.
So they are also hiring the nannies. It's not possible, ma'am. Without nanny, they
Yeah.
can do everything, because kids wants the some person na, like who can manage the kids, like who can take care of the kids. It's not possible. Without that, they can't do, because my mother-in-law is also the lawyer. So she is
Okay.
also hire the nanny when they are she's getting the kids that time. So I think
After
like
that, she pursued their career.
yeah, nowadays also she is working. We can't say like
Wow.
she's not working. So I think like if you are a passionate, if you have a billing, so definitely you can continue your career. Sometimes it's
Yeah.
happen like we have to take the gap, but it's not possible. Like if you have a willingness, you want to do something in your life, so definitely you can do it. But sometimes like when we are getting that, it's so 2 to 3 years or 4 years you are getting some kind of gaps. But after
Yeah.
that you can start your journey again, because I want to start my journey again, so that is why I am upskilling myself here.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
What is happening now na now the environment is changed, and the men also supporting their wife to take care of the child, and they also take leave from their office. I've seen many people who is doing this kind of job also, so they are very much supportable, caring and loving. They are supporting their child, their family, their wife also. So it's not like that everyone is like same, but this I can say, this is a mentality which people also looking at around. They have a mentality that only girls, they need to take care their child, they can't take care. But some way I can say the child emotional connection is more than their father. It happens with mother more than their father, because when the girl gave birth to the child, so there that time the emotional connection comes with the mother more than the father. So that's why this is a tendency it becomes, and uh, women sacrifice their job, their other career goals also. That's why it happens. That's it.
Yes, ma'am. So I think we are running out short of time, so we have to wind up this
Yeah.
session. Next, we will
Okay.
meet you again so that we can give our